Okay, hi and welcome back to my SPM portal. Okay, so for today, I'm going to show how to do question from Kelantan for SPM, trial SPM 2023 paper 1. Okay, so for the first question, this is the first question. Given two functions y equals to f bracket u and u equals to gx, using the idea of limits, prove that. Okay, so this is proving question. So for proving question, I would do compilation later. Okay, because mostly if for me lah, I won't care much on proving questions. I will just go for the applying questions. Okay, for me applying questions are much more easier rather than proving, because like proving you have to derive the equation and you have to like literally memorize certain things. So that's why lah, I just do compilation later, but for sure you'll get the compilation, but not now. Okay, it would be around 1 or 2 weeks before your Addmaths paper. Okay, so moving on for the question B. This is color. Okay, given y equal to 5t square plus 2t and x equals to 1 minus 2t, find dy dx in terms of x. Okay, although I highlight in the Malay one, but still I'm saying in English. Okay, so it's just the same language, it's doesn't matter. Okay, so for y equals to 5t square plus 2t. So how you know this one, dy over y? Okay, so you see the first letter is y, so dy over the second is t, so dt. So it's simply like that. So 10t plus 2. So I differentiate already the first equation. Second one, so let's try to guess, is it dx over dt or dt over dx, or maybe dy over dx? What this is? On three of these, which one is the correct one? Yeah, of course the correct one is the first one. Okay, because it's like this. If you see the equation, though, the term that comes first is x. I mean the first letter is x, so that's why dx, so x should be in the numerator, while the second one is t, it should be in the denominator. Then you simply differentiate, so negative 2 lah, because if you differentiate 1 is a value, if you differentiate number, it's turn out to be 0, and negative 2t, so 2t like say show okay, so negative 2 times 1, t1 minus 1, so negative 2, t power of 0 is actually 1, so negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. That's it. Okay, it's just a simple differentiation lah. You should make sure you're good at differentiating. Okay, so they say find dy dx, so you want dy dx. Okay, so how you want to find the dy dx? Okay, this one dy over dt, this one dx over dt. How you want to relate both these to find the dy dx? So like my method, okay, d is at the numerator, right? So write dy, okay, we don't know over what, okay, times with, okay, should I write dy again at here? No, just write at one place. If you write here, so no need to write here. So dx, should you write the year or year? Of course here. Okay, so done. So this both, this one and this one should be the same one, either dA or dB or dB. Okay, so like this, apart from y and t, okay, we got y, we got t. Okay, we already took both this, so got d, oh sorry, so we already got dy, already got dx, so still left dt on this, so dt and dt. Very simple. Okay, so dy over dx, dy over dt is 10t plus 2 times with dt over dx is 1 over negative 2. 1 over negative 2, because dx over dt is negative 2. So if we exchange the position, it will turn out 1 over negative 2. So it will be like 10t plus 2 over negative 2 is negative 5t negative 1. This one is dy dx. Don't you think this answer is correct? No, this is wrong. Why wrong? Because they say in terms of x, but this one in terms of t. So how you want to make this in terms of x? So if in terms of x, you see both of this equation, which one got x? This one only got x. So what you do, if you want to substitute, you don't have x here, so you just have t here, so you just x equals to 1 minus 2t. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, so x minus 1 over 2 equals to t. So x, so plus 1 over 2, that's the value of t. So simply insert in the equation negative 5. So t equals to 1, right? So insert minus, so negative 5, negative x plus 1 over 2, negative 1. So the final one, okay, just bring up here. Okay, sorry for the messy work. Okay, I'm really sorry. So if you settle out, you just settle out like normal. Okay, so just 5x negative 5 over 2. Okay, minus 1 is actually times 2 and times 2, it will end with negative 5. So 5x minus 7 over 2. So this one is the final answer. Hence, so I have to write somewhere else. Okay, you make sure you're working in the exam is easy to understand. Like me, this one just do to show you. Okay, so the final one, final answer, right, dy dx equals to 5x minus 7 over 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Or you want to write like this also can, 5 over 2x minus 7 over 2, still acceptable. Okay, just the same, and make sure you do and watch the video. Okay, that's it. Thank you.